Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do the designing parts to engrave with your Cricut Maker. So if you go into your projects, I've got something designed that I'll show you. Okay, so this is my chosen design. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how it starts off. So this is the end product. Let me zoom in for you. I've already sized it for my acrylic disc, which is shaped like a house. So this is the finished product with an offset, and this was my original design. So when you choose a design on your images or your text or your phrases, it's not going to be already in the engrave setting. It's going to be in the basic cut. Okay, so it will look like this. You need to take your design and go up to operation and change it to engrave. Okay, then it's going to hollow it out. But now if it's hollowed out like this, it's not going to show up nicely on your acrylic disc. So what you need to do then is you need to go to an offset, and I like to choose -0,0.01. Okay, and then I click down here. It shows me, you can see where it's blue here now, that's going to be the internal offset, and we say apply. So now we're going to do this a few times until it fills in to look like the image that we have on the left hand side of our screen. All right. Okay, and then we're done. It's no more offsets available, so we select the entire image and we say attach. Now it's a solid image, and now we have exactly the same as that. So I'm just going to delete that one. Now when you take this, mine's already sized to my disc. I'm going to say make it. Right, now it goes to the top left corner, but I don't want it on my top left corner. I want it in the middle of my mat. So I'm going to look at my 15 here on the top and my 15 on the bottom, and I'm going to go place it on that square. Now I know with my machine, because I have engraved before, that my center of my mat is not actually the center of where my machine engraves. So you always have to do a test run with your engraving. Do it in the middle, so find the middle of your image. So let me show you. If I select the image here, there's a little cross here, and that's basically the center of my image. So that's like the corner of my A. So if I say make it, I'm going to take my image down to my 15 and my 15, and I'm going to zoom in just to show you. So now the center of my A, which I found, was over there. But I've seen with my engraving that this doesn't work. Mine is slightly off, where I need to put my image more down and to the right. So I've learned with my engraving that that's there, and that's there, and that's how I've done it. So you need to do a test run on your machine with your object perfectly centered, and then use the center of your image, and then decide from there if it needs to be moved on the next run, either down or up or left or right. This is perfect for my design. Then what I do is I click continue. Now my machine is connected via USB just because it's a more secure connection. You'll see that all your things aren't available because you can't engrave on everything. You can't engrave on cardstock, you can't engrave on basswood, you can't engrave on vinyl. So you can engrave on acetate, craft board, and my choice is 2mm thick acrylic. I keep it on the same pressure, and it says please load your engraving tip in the machine. And then you're going to press go. Now just detects that my engraving tip is in my machine, rolls my mat in, and then it will start engraving. And there we go, there's the keyring that's engraved with the keychain attached to it, and that's how you engrave acrylic disc. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to follow my channel. Till next time, bye.